This is Srinivas here. Today I am bringing you a very interesting topic. This topic you will not find in any of the YouTube channel. This is an exclusive video. You might be finding a video related to the demo, but this video where I will be focusing on a need-based demo. Friends, this video is for my sales friends, those who will be interacting with the customer. While interacting with the customer, they understand certain customer needs at the discussion table. Then they understood what is my customer's need. So I will be segregating the customer need into buckets. It may be a safety bucket, comfort bucket, performance bucket, cost of maintenance bucket, or service. And sometimes customer prefer even the brands. So based on this requirement, we segregate and we understand our customer need, and we try to do our product presentation. But unfortunately, what is happening, friends, while giving a demo to the customer, we do a generic one. We are not focusing on the customer need. We only highlight the features what we feel that this is important for the car perspective. But unfortunately, what is happening, there is a connection is missing between customer need and to the product. What it leads to, that there might be a chance that customer will lose the interest in the car as his needs are not served or not understood. So in this video, I will be focusing on the need-based demo and keeping in mind the 5 buckets. In the same feature, what I will do, one feature I will explain what we need to tell to a customer about a safety aspect of it when the customer's priority is a safety, comfort, performance. So it will be more like a customized demo, and I will be highlighting the benefit with new demo format that is called For You. To the full form of the For You format is F, it is front, O means outside and seats, R means rear, Y means your convenience at the driver's seat, O means on the driver's seat, and the last is the under the hood. So this is the demo format. Based on that, I will be highlighting the key features on the different demo process, and I will also explain what we have to tell when we have to do a customization of the demo. Friends, remember, whenever you start with your demo, you need to focus on the one thing, and you have to start your demo whenever you are explaining any customer about any priorities. You have to tell about the brand. Brand plays a very vital role. Coming to the USPs of Toyota brand, Toyota has been there in the global presence. Toyota has been having a global presence of 203 countries. Coming to Indian market, it has been almost 20 years into the Indian market with a very strong customer base because of its legendary products like Innova, Fortuner, Camry, LC, Prado, Camry, Yaris and Glanza. Coming to the portfolios, you can also add to the urban cruiser. Because of this product, Toyota has a unique and separate fan base, and it is one of the most reputed automobile brand in the Indian automobile manufacturers. What it have, the benefit is that Toyota's biggest USP, or we can say the strength, is its service. It provides with the facility of EM60, EM90 and EM120. Apart from that, it also provides other facility like roadside assistance free to its customer. Then it also provides a very low cost of maintenance. Because of that, Toyota enjoys a very, what you can say, mass or a separate niche market in its Indian automobile. Now coming to the other aspect, we will be talking about the features. First I will talk about a feature one by one and explain what is the benefit of it in the customer's priority. If it is a safety, what we have to tell. If it is a comfort, what we need to tell. If it's a convenience, what we need to tell. And if it is a style, what we need to tell. So I will be starting with the first feature, that is a dual projector LED headlamps. So you can see, so if a customer's priority is safety, you can say that as the projector headlamp setup is dual chamber, which means you will have 2 projector headlamps. So the benefit is visibility in the night condition is very good, and when you have a proper visibility, it also makes sure that you have a proper view it enhances the sense of driving confidence whenever you are driving in a pitch dark condition, and also provides the safety to it. Coming to the comfort, how we will be explaining this thing to the customer is that whenever you are driving in a pitch dark condition, you need to strain your eyes more. But when you are having this dual chamber LED projector headlamps, you don't need to strain that much, and covering night time, when you want to cover a longer distance in a night time, it will be like a very short span of time and without straining your eyes. And you can also say it's a styling aspect. It's a very unique and a different type of projector headlamp setup. Generally this type of setup, if you see the regular cars, if I'll show you a car here, you can see there's a so you can see there is a projector, and you can see there is a projector and halogen. This is basically followed by the most of the brands, but you get 3 type of projector headlamps. Generally you get in a premium cars. Like example, if I tell one of the car which I have seen recently is the Lexus 300H, where you get 3 type of it. So you can also say that this dual projector headlamps enhances the premiumness of the car and also the styling quotient because of the unique setup of display. The benefit is that it is like an instant head turner. The person who sees the car from the front will be instantly attracted to it. That's the benefit of having a dual projector headlamps. Along with that, it comes with a LED DRL. You can also call it is a styling quotient because it enhances the front fascia of the car. Along with that, it also acts as a indicator, side turn indicator. Here you will see it will be still like a LED DRL. So if a customer is looking for a styling quotient, you can focus on, say it's a, so if a customer is looking for a stylish car with a dual chamber LED projector headlamps, you can say integrated LED DRL. It enhances the styling quotient. It looks very aggressive when you see the car from the front view, and it also enhances the safety part of it, because you can see it's a very brighter day. Once this light is on, you can still, the opposite person can find there is a car is coming, or you can say there is an intimation is happening, so there is a less chance of frontal collision. To counter all type of foggy conditions, or as we are now very near to the winter season, you will get a lot of foggy whenever you use the car in the morning. First I'll talk about the safety part of it, as it comes with a LED front fog lamp. So the visibility is good and it provides extra safety whenever you will be driving in a foggy condition. And if you're talking about a premiumness, you can see there is a chrome bezel has been given to enhances the front premiumness of the car. This is the, actually this has been accessorized. So it comes with a front 2 slated wedge cut chrome and grey finish to give a car more macho or masculine look, and also it reminds me of a mini Fortuner. Then this you can see is a front bumper which is big chunky to give a car more masculine look, and also to give, if you want to talk this feature in a stylish way, you can tell it enhances the car front fascia and uniqueness, and also you can say it gives a car more masculine look. Now if you have to talk about the safety aspect of it, as Urban Cruiser built on a philosophy of tech body, total effective control technology, and this is a thick bumper. Whenever there is an unforeseen situation happens, it makes sure with the help of a crumble zone, it absorbs all the impact here and try to reduce the impact not to get inside the cabin, so the passengers are safe there. Now if I have to tell, as it comes under a premium compact SUV segment, to give a car more SUV look or a stylish look, it comes with the front and rear silver skid plate. So you can tell about this basically into styling aspect of it, whenever customers priority is a safety. This is a hood. You can also say it as it is a well designed or well thoughtfully made. So you can say there is a lot of aerodynamic to reduce the coefficient of drag. Benefit is it provides a stability when the vehicle is running on a high speed. So to reduce that friction, this type of design has been given. When you see the car from the front, you can see it's like an arrow. So when you see this, you will be observing that it's like an arrow. Benefit is to enhances the aerodynamic, provide a better stability whenever the person driving this car on a high speed. So these are the main features you need to explain whenever you are talking to the customer from the front. Now we will go to the second step of the demo, that is outside and the next step in the demo is outside and seat, where I will be focusing on the side profile of the car. Now based on my customer bucket, again I will be highlighting those features which we need to tell to a customer. Once you see the car from this side, the first thing that a customer will be noticing is its 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheel. Basically you can say that this enhances the aesthetic look of the car. Along with that, this alloy wheel design helps to provide a proper ventilation to the brake, and it helps in reducing the wear and tear. So you can also add up and say that it helps in somewhat providing a low cost of maintenance. As this car comes with a ventilated disc, the benefit is that once the brakes are properly ventilated, it enhances the braking performance. Remember friends, whenever a customer is looking for purely for a safety package, highlight this feature, which is very important. And as it's a compact SUV, a lot of people will want to have a more fun to drive experience. As this car comes with a tire profile of 215 by 60 R16. So this is a tread area, which is a patch area, also provides a proper road grip, and whenever the car is driven on a high speed, it provides a very good road grip, and also gives extreme fun to drive experience. Now coming to the comfort, front it comes with a MacPherson suspension, independent suspension. Rear is a torsional wheel to counter all type of rough terrain, to keep you and your family comfortable whenever you are traveling for a longer journeys. It has a proper suspension setup. Along with that, as I told you, we have the road conditions in India. To give a proper to give a peace of mind whenever you are driving in any of the road conditions, it has a 198 ground clearance. So underbody damage is also, it can take care of it. Then coming to the dimension of the car, the length of the car is 3995 millimeter. Coming to the width, which is 1790, height is 1640. So I'll also share this dimension on the screen. Friends, please have a look of it. Coming to the other styling aspect, once you see this, these are the character lines to give a car more masculine look. This comes under an accessories package to give a car more premium appeal. These are the roof rails. As I told you, it's a compact SUV. SUVs generally comes with this roof rail. If you are telling for the styling part of it, it enhances the sportiness. You can also tell it as a safety, because this helps in providing a stability to the car when car running on a high speed. This is also, friends, the vehicle which we are making a video on, it's a top end variant where we have a dual tone color option. There are total 9 color options are available in the Urban Cruiser, and 6 is the monotone, which means a single color, and 3 are the dual tone color. I'll be sharing on the screen, so please have a look of it. Now this roof color and this ORB, as it's a premium variant, which will be coincidence, or which can say it has been mapped to give a car more premium look. Now if a customer is looking for a safety, you can tell that it comes with integrated turn indicators. So once I will be applying this, so this is, it indicate the opposite person which side the car is taking a turn. So there is a less chance of, so it indicates the person which side the car is taking a turn. The benefit is the opposite person will know and they can take appropriate measure. and it helps in reducing the frontal collision. Now coming to other part of that, this ORVM has been well placed here. So the benefit for this person will be driving is to reduce the blind spot. We know we will be driving in sometimes in a congested place or sometimes in heavy traffic. We are not aware of which vehicle is passing by. To give a proper view for this person, these ORVMs are well designed. So you can also tell as a safety feature to reduce the side collision, and also for the person for the comfort, so that it doesn't strain much whenever is driving the car in a very congested way. The other things which we'll be highlighting is this is A pillar, B pillar and C pillar, all black tape out. Generally, if you see the friends, its car is halt, it's not moving, but that A, B, C pillar floating effect makes sure that it is on a move. That's a benefit of it. One more feature you can tell to your customer, this side fender cladding, it can be we can explain it as a stylish feature because it enhances the car a more macho look or masculine look of it. So front and side you can tell to the customer. So these are the features and the biggest USP of urban cruiser or any. If you are telling your customer about the comfort, make sure tell your customer to sit at the rear. So generally we don't insist our customer to sit there, they'll stand here and see. By making them sit here, they'll understand that I have adjusted this seat according to my requirement, my height. So you have a proper leg room, head room and shoulder room. So this is the biggest USP you have to tell whenever a customer is looking for a comfort. So we have done with the other features of where you have to tell to a customer. Now we'll go at the rear and see what is stored in the urban cruiser. Rear. So I'll start with the customers looking for a stylish. You can highlight. Urban cruiser comes with a total LED package, both at the front at the rear. This is the rear split LED combi light. Along with that, high mounted stop lamp. Whenever the brake is applied, it is illuminated. It provides a car more when the illumination is good, even at the rear also people get an instant notice. It attracts the person and also looks unique and also looks stylish. That's the benefit of having this type of LED package. It can also plays a very vital role in a safety, because as it's an LED, this rear split combi light and high mounted stop lamp, whenever the person who is sitting is applying the brake, the rear person will know and he will take a countermeasure and keep a safe distance. So this person is also safe, the person who is driving at the rear also is safe. That's the benefit you need to tell to your customer. And coming to the other styling aspect, this is the number plate applique. It's all chrome. This you will all get it in the accessories. So once tell your customer based on the customer's requirement. This is a rear defogger as a standard, which is benefit whenever you will be driving this car in a foggy condition, because generally what happens when we drive, whenever we come to our car in the winter season, it is all blur because water particles are there. Switch is there at the central console. On it will clear and gives a better visibility, and as you are sitting it also provides a comfortable. See friends, remember, comfort means when you are not straining yourself whenever you are driving the car. Try to enhance this feature whenever you are telling this feature to the customer. Coming to this, it is a wiper and washer to give a customer a convenience. With what it means that he doesn't need to come every time outside the car and clean it. But with the help of switch there, he can use it and clean the rear windshield or wind demister, you can say it in a technical way. This is also part of accessories to give a car more premium look. There is an integrated spoiler. It acts as a two things. One as an aesthetic look to give a car more premium and sportiness, and also as safety, because this helps in providing a stability in high speed. So this is the camera. I'll be showing in the later part of the video how it displays, and these are the sensors. You can tell the customer whenever parking in a congested place like this, it will be very helpful, and it will also reduce the damage there. And with the help of a camera, it is convenient feature. So based on customer requirement, remember friends, you have to customize your pitch. So Urban Cruiser's standard boot space is 328 liters, but we like to accumulate more luggage in that. There are one provision is there, that is called 60/40 rear split seat. So this is the provision. So if you are going for any family occasion, marriage, festivals, you can accumulate this lot of stuff here. Now friends, you can see it is not flat. There is one more feature that is a standard feature, which is called as a rear flip seat function. I'll show how it functions. So this is a 60/40 rear split seat. You can do it. So taking your luggage in a very pitch dark condition, you don't know where this you have kept your luggage. Here is a trunk light is also given to ease you, to give a visibility in that, and where you can find your luggage there. And you will have a parcel tray. You can keep your luggage. Don't need to come every time outside. So you can say these are the convenient features for the person who will be using this. Now we have done with the rear part of the demo. We'll go to your convenience at the driver's seat. Your convenience at the driver's seat. So the first thing you will be telling to a customer who is looking for comfort car, this is the smart key entry. You have to press this. Getting in and out of the Urban Cruiser is quite comfortable and easy. Then you can talk as it's a premium car. If you are looking for stylish features in interiors, these are the grey color finish. These are the fabric soft texture material to enhance the premiumness of it. These are the power window switches. These are the practicality, because we forget about that. So you can say bottle holder is there. You can use other stuff here. This is a grab handle. This is the door. You can lock it. You can put it. Because most of the customers will be spending a lot of time here. If it's not a chauffeur driven, definitely you want to have a comfortable driving position based on his height. You can tell your customer, you can adjust based on your comfort and proper driving. Because if you are not having a proper driving position, you will be not covering a longer distance in a long span of time. You need to take breaks, either the about driving position or over the steering. If it is too high or too low, if you are not comfortable, then you'll be not feeling connected to the car. So tell your customer, because having a proper driving position is very important to cover. Either you are driving in a city or you are driving in a highway, that plays a very vital role. Now coming to the other features, these are the switches you will be getting. This is the auto fold ORVM switches. If you want to lock it, off it. If it's an automatic, you will get a dual battery setup, or it's a which I'll be explaining in the later part of the video. This is the headlamp leveling, coin holders. This is push start button. These are the switches for the headlamps, fog lamp, and it's auto. These are the switches for the wiper. Now these are the important features when you are telling your customer. And one feature I'll be explaining here only, because you can see this is the ABC pedal. One unique feature you will be getting in Urban Cruiser, that is one pedal release. When there is a frontal impact happens, it generally our legs get stuck up and you will have injuries here. So to avoid this thing, there is a pedal release function is there. automatically this will make a wear or proper gap to reduce the you can say the injuries level here. So these are the features we will be explaining to your customer on the what you can say, your convenience at the driver's seat. Now we will go into the fifth step, that is on the driver's seat, and let's see what are the features available and highlighted the features to customers based on their requirement. As you can maintain a proper you can say distance. So you can tell about the all dark interiors. It is it's an accessorized seat, but generally you get a dark brown interior fabric seats. For the if a customer is looking for premium quality of interior material, the quality of the material it comes with all dark brown fabric seats. Because generally what happens that we talk highlighted the features of premiumness at the exterior of a car, we tend to forget in the inside of a car. So this comes with a all dark brown fabric color. The color texture is in such a way it doesn't look clumsy, and it also enhances the premiumness of the car. Then this is a well designed dashboard. It is flat, so you can tell it is comfortable for the person. You can have a proper 360-degree view, and also there is a less blind spot. Comfort is there. If there is a less blind spot is there, you can enhance the safety part of it. This is called it's an electronic power steering. The benefit of this type of steering is that it is very light. With the single hand also you can use, but I'll advise always use both the hands to drive the car. And the turning radius of Urban Cruiser is 5.2 meter. Taking a shorter U-turns is like a cakewalk. It is act as a comfort feature. Highlight this feature. Then coming to the other features, the biggest USP of Urban Cruiser is its infotainment system. It comes with a 7-inch smart playcast infotainment with the provision of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with 4 speakers and 2 tweeters. I'll just make you listen the audio quality of it. Make sure whenever you are giving a demo to your customer, let them listen to the audio quality, because generally when we are traveling on a highways, we use the music system. That is like a second companion to you, because music plays a very vital role to ease your brain and enhances. It is a sensory thing to relax you so that you can cover a longer distance without straining you. So these are the points we need to tell your customer. Then it comes with a 7 when you connect your smartphone with this, you have other buttons here, like you can receive the call, cut the call. You can also do a voice command here. These are the steering mounted controls. Generally every car comes with, but what we have to tell that it is a convenient feature because it's at your tip of your finger, and it also is a safety feature. How? Because you don't need to remove your hand from the steering. Suppose these switches are placed here, then you have to remove your hand and you have to operate here. That means only one hand, which is not good. It's not recommended. To tell your customer, this acts as a convenient feature as well at the same time it is like a safety feature. If you come into the controls of it, these are the audio controls, these are the cruise control. And benefit of cruise is that you don't need to put an accelerator pedal, press accelerator pedal. You just need to activate this and you can remove your foot from here. So it's like relaxing yourself, but make sure your one foot is near the brake pedal. If any, because you know the road conditions in India, anybody will come from anywhere to have a sense of sharpness, or you can, if you want to stop the vehicle immediately, then you can easily operate it. Then coming to the transmission part of it, it is this car comes with 2 transmission options. If you want to have a fun to drive experience, those who generally people who prefer manual because they have a full control of it, and also want to have fuel efficiency of it, it comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. But if you want to have a relaxed driving, because you know the traffic conditions in all the metros, because you end up driving most of the time in the bumper to bumper. That time most of the people preferring an automatic. It comes with a 4-speed torque converter automatic transmission, and we are obsessed with the fuel efficiency. I'll be telling in the later part of the it. That's a surprise. I'll be tell you in the later part of it. Then coming to counter all type of climatic conditions, to keep you cool, relaxed, not to strain much, it comes with a auto AC. It's a standard feature here. These are the switches, and this is an air purifier. You get it as an accessories. So highlight this thing to your customers. If you want to keep your smartphone here, you can keep it. These are this place here. So there's a cup holder here. So coming to the when a customer's main topmost priority is safety. It comes with 2 airbags, SRS airbags, with the braking system of ABS with EBD. Along with that, it comes with a tech body, which is a total effective control. It makes sure when there is an unforeseen situation happens, it provides the impact to stay there. It doesn't transfer that thing inside it. So these pillars are quite tacked and stable, providing proper safety to you and also the family. Make sure you tell your customer. And to keep you all beverages, this it comes with upper cool glove box. Proper placing is there. So these are the convenient features you can tell to your customer. Biggest thing, it can also be called as a comfort feature and also as a safety feature. Comfort, this will not reflect you, so you'll be relaxed. Safety, because sometimes you get that blank out you happen because of the reflection. So there might be a chance you might turn up and an unforeseen situation happens. This is called as electrochromic IRVM, inner rear view mirror, which you need to highlight because this is segment's unique feature. Then coming to the other safety features, now I'll be owning this. So you can listen this sound. So there are certain warnings which will be shared to the driver, like low fuel. There are certain warnings which will be shared to the driver, like low fuel, seat belt reminder, key left, door ajar, and headlamps on. Apart from that, there is a speed warning is there. Once the vehicle reaches 80 km/h, you will get this type of sound. But once the vehicle reaches 120 km/h, the buzzer will be continuous. This is called speed warning. Apart from that, once the vehicle reaches 15 km/h, door will get auto lock. And there is one more function is there. So this is called anti-pinch driver side window. So these are the safety packages you can tell. Now another feature is, in the initial part of this video I said that once the vehicle is kept in a, so this is the reverse camera along with that reverse sensor. It provides a safety and also convenient whenever you are driving in a congested place. Hold control, that is only available in the automatic transmission. What it does, it makes sure the vehicle, when it is parked on a slopey area, it holds the car for 3 seconds and avoid the car to roll back. So please highlight, this is a safety feature and also is a convenient feature, because a lot of customers get panic whenever they are driving in a sloping area. So make sure, tell this feature to your customer. Now you have done with the on the driver seat features. Now we'll go to the last part of the demo, that is under the hood. We'll see what is the heart in store in the urban cruisers. It comes with 1.5 liter BS6 naturally aspirated petrol engine, power around 130, so power is 105 PS, torque is 138 Newton meter torque. And I was telling about the fuel efficiency. Manual, it is as per CM wear fuel efficiency, it is 17.03 kmpm. as per automatic it is 18.76 kmpm. Coming to the any Toyota vehicle, the standard warranty is 3 years and 1 lakh kilometer, and if you are expanding or you can extended warranties 5 years and 1,50,000 kilometer based on the terms and conditions. And as I told you, Toyota's biggest USP is service. It comes with a 3 years free RSA service. Along with that, because a lot of customers buy the brand or any product for the service factor, so you can highlight the extended warranty, standard warranty, and EM60, EM90 and EM120 service facility. Along with that, 3 years free RSA facility, and there are 303 service touch points. So make sure Toyota has biggest strength is its well-trained technicians. So what it means that you don't have a repeat service. So once you have that, the customer satisfaction is very good, and that always transmits into a better sales number. That's the benefit of it. The one feature which I was about to tell, which you will be finding in the automatic version, is the dual battery setup. Important function that is available only in automatic, that is called dual battery setup. There are two types of battery has been placed in the urban cruiser. One is the lead acid battery, other is the 12-watt lithium ion battery, which has been placed under the co-driver seat. So you will be getting this in the automatic version. Then there are 3 types of functions will be there: idle start stop, brake energy regeneration, and torque assist. Because of that, it helps in providing a better engine response, performance, and also like a environmental friendly. That's why you see that as per CMVA certification, automatic is being certified as 18.76 kmpl per liter compared to the manual 17.03. That's the benefit of having a dual battery setup. But it is only benefit when the customer is using it on a regular basis. So based on your customer usage, try to highlight this feature. If you still find any inputs, kindly share me in the comment box, and I hope this is helpful. And please don't forget, don't be generic, use a need based demo. Have a happy selling and all the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.